Welcome, Brandon here with Showchrome Accessories to introduce another brand new item fitting the 2010 and newer Can-Am Spyder RT models. This particular item is going to be the oversized windshield. This windshield is 4.5 inches wider than the stock shield and still retains the same stock adjustability. This windshield also has anti-buffeting vents, which will decrease the amount of turbulence that you have behind the windshield. This windshield is produced right here in the USA and is made of a 5/32 thick DOT acrylic for optimal clarity. If you have any further questions, please feel free to look us up online at www.bigbikeparts.com. While you're there, please check out the dealer locator section. You can also give us a phone call at 888-BIG-BIKE and also like us on Facebook as well as Instagram to stay up on all the new items. Again, thank you for watching and safe riding.